Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and show you a tutorial. First I'm going to show you what I'm using, and these are some papers from Etsy. I can link down below, but I'm doing a Memdex and I'm using this too, but here's just some of the papers, and I'm going to link it down and everything. But I'm making candy. Okay, so I was going through my Halloween stash and I saw I have, oh my gosh, I'm dropping things that I need for the tutorial. Okay, I was going through my stash and I was like, I really like these candies, but they're super ugly because it's not how I craft anymore. But I handmade them. I mean, they're not ugly, I guess, because I'm basically doing the same thing. But they're not like the colors I would choose now. So I made this cute one. And this is not my idea, really. I think I got it off Pinterest a couple years ago. And I want to show you how I did it. And you can do these for any holiday, of course, and you can do it whatever you want. So, oh, here's another one from last year, the year before. I mean, they're okay. I guess I shouldn't say I hate them, but there's lots of pop dots. So you need anything like a variation. This is 1.5 scallop punch. This is a circle punch. I think it's a 1 inch. No, it's 1.5. 1.5, 1.5, 1 inch circle. And then I'm using this spiral. No clue where it came from. It doesn't have a name. Well, yeah, it's EK Success actually. So I will ink up. Let's see, and I'm also using some glitter paper. So what I do, oh, and you need foam. This is from the Dollar Tree, brand new, never used it before, so I am like doubling it up, or you can triple it up, whatever. So just take a base. So I'm going to use this purple. This is a bad angle, yeah. You're not really seeing what I'm doing. I'm trying new like camera angles to see what's better. But anyway, okay. So I ink that up. And then that's your base. And then you'll want to do like, I'm gonna do this. And then cut it. And I'm also using a glue gun. Oh, first off, I need to, so put that on the bottom, or the top, I guess. And then take a scallop. My scallop will be this pink. So I'm going to ink that up. I love these inkers. These were Prima. I got them on clearance at a scrapbooking store somewhere. I think I got them in Springfield, maybe. I'll put that right on top. So see that? And then I'm going to pick a 1 inch. I got my 1 inch right here. And then this, I want to put some thread behind, so you can do whatever thread you want. So I'm going to get not as big as last time. I'm going to kind of double it up, but small so it doesn't show. I use my scissors that I don't mind if I get yucky. And peel that off. Uh-oh, there goes my AC. Do your thread. I love thread. I love metallic thread. I got this from Stampin' Up. And it's rose gold. It was $6, but I was like, that's cute, so cut that. This is how I do it. Ah, you see? And then I like get it all wild. And then it's really like a rat's nest. So then I place it, kind of position it how I want it. Get the tails in there. And that's wild enough. Okay, and then I'll put it here. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do some hot glue. I hate my hot glue gun. I've bought so many and none of them are good. I don't get it. Okay, so put that there. And then pick out a little circle. You can do whatever you want. I mean, you don't have to have a spirally thing. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna do my blue. And then you don't have to ink that if you don't want to. I'm not going to. Glue it. And then put it wherever you think you want it. I'm going to put in a little off center. Okay, then I'm going to turn it over. And then I'm going to take my 1.5 inch scallop, which, let's do the purple. So you take this and you cut it in half, kind of measure like end to end, so that that just went on the floor. Okay, so now it's in half, so cut it in half again. Just like that. And then I take my glue. You can use hot glue, but I like to position it because I don't get it great. Well, you know what? This is the glitter paper, so. And you can put it wherever you think the center is. Get it good. So there's one. And these are cute. You can use them for, I've done them in birthday theme Really? I've done them in birthday theme before. And they were cute. Just kind of, the hardest part is getting them even to each other. And then I've put like gemstones. But today, I'm just going to take this little spider and use my Super Tight. And then I'll just find a place. I got those spiders at Walmart the other day. I literally just used this. Of course. Here it is. Okay, my glue, okay, here it comes. It literally hates me. Just enough. And then, creepy, spooky spider on your candy. He's kind of weird with his legs, huh? How cute. How cute are these candies? And you can make a gob of them and use them as embellishments, or you can just put them in like a little candy dish. I love them, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll come back and show you my Mendex.